Should you buy Bitcoin or should you buy Ethereum? Well, right now, when we look at the prices, we're seeing Ethereum has soared by 50% plus in the last month. Bitcoin has gone up by 23%. So you'd say on the trend, you'd buy Ethereum, but on the basics, is that correct? Let's have a look at it and let's see why we're seeing two key people in the crypto industry, perhaps the biggest, arguing about whether Bitcoin or Ethereum is the best. What's happening? Well, Michael Saylor, who of course is the biggest fan of Bitcoin, his company has bought billions in Bitcoin. He's saying that Bitcoin is the only real decentralized cryptocurrency which can't be regulated. He's got other reasons which we'll talk about in a second, but we look at Ethereum and we see that Vitalik, the CEO of Ethereum, is saying that Saylor is just a clown. Well, is he a clown? Let's have a look. Two differences, big differences between these two. First of all, if we look at Bitcoin, limited amount. So we're talking about right now there's 19 million Bitcoins available. It goes to a maximum of 21. Whereas Ethereum, there's no limit. Okay, and that's what Saylor says. He says that Bitcoin, we know where we are. It's good for money. It's hardwired, if you like. We know there's a limited amount, whereas Ethereum is different. In fact, if we look at Ethereum, it's trying to be usable. Ethereum, think about it like when the iPhone came out. iPhone came out, and off the back of it, 2 years later, Uber came out. So think about it in the same way. When we think about Ethereum, think about it as a platform. It wants to be the cloud, if you like. It wants to be the platform that can be used so that other people and ultimately anybody can develop their own protocols off the back of Ethereum. Okay, that's super exciting. But Saylor says, okay, that's fine, but until they've gone through their next upgrade, which is called Merge, it's going to be in September, according to rumors and what is being said. Okay, that's why Ethereum is going up, because Merge will make a massive difference. It will use less power. Okay, in fact, they will be producing 70 to 75% less Ethereum, less energy needed, better for the world, more ESG. Okay, and of course that by fund managers is seen as a big positive. The world wants ESG, whereas Bitcoin right now is using too much power. In fact, Elon Musk, hasn't he, in the past has said that he'll invest more into Bitcoin when it sorts out how it produces the power and how, if it can get clean energy used instead of using dirty energy to a percentage of the Bitcoin, he says he'll buy more. Okay, but if we look at it, we're really seeing two different things. So think about it as Bitcoin, gold-like, limited amount. Okay, it is usable for money. It's certainly something that we as a company, I as a person, have kept an eye on all the way through. And then we look at Ethereum, usable. Okay, will it be completely usable? Will they go too far? And will it be regulated? Because that's your last point. Saylor says that it's a equity. In other words, it's like a company, it's a security. Okay, and he says that means that it's going to be regulated, and that's going to stop the progress or slow the progress down of Ethereum. He says it's too early. We don't know what's going to happen. Think about Ethereum. It mutates and mutates again. Okay, that's what Michael Saylor says. So do you go with what Michael Saylor is saying and it's Bitcoin, or would you go with Vitalik and say, actually, Ethereum's got more uses, it's much faster. Okay, it's the better one. Okay, I diversify. I've actually got more Bitcoin than Ethereum, but I like the two. You make your own mind up. Talk to a financial advisor. Interesting times. Digital currencies are the future. No question about it. Are these two winners? Okay, we have to see. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and share the video, because I'll keep you up to date with what's going on, not only in the crypto market, in the stock market, in investments, what it takes to be successful in life.